Hey Beautyistic fam, do you find yourself battling dark circles or redness around your eyes? Well, you're not alone. I've been testing out a product that promises to tackle all of that and more. Let's dive into the Jane Iredale Active Light Under Eye Concealer. This concealer claims to brighten and highlight while also correcting those pesky dark circles and discoloration. But does it live up to the hype? Stick with me as we take a deep dive into the performance and the formulation. So what exactly is the Jane Iredale Active Light Under Eye Concealer? It's a stick concealer designed specifically for the delicate under eye area. This product comes in a medium yellow shade, number 2, making it ideal for tackling redness and dark circles, as yellow tones are known for neutralizing those blue or purple undertones in the skin. It offers a soft focus finish, which means it helps blur fine lines and imperfections, giving that radiant, youthful glow. Now let's talk about the experience. When I first applied it, I was impressed by how smoothly it glided on. The stick form made it really easy to apply directly to the under eye area, and I didn't need much product to cover the dark circles. It has a lightweight texture, but it still provided decent coverage. I'd say it's more on the sheer to medium side. Perfect for those who want a natural look or don't want to feel like they're wearing too much makeup. It really brightened up the area without caking or settling into fine lines, which I always look out for. I used this during my morning routine, but I also gave it a test run in the evening, just to see how it holds up throughout the day. I was happy to report that it didn't crease or fade by midday, which is a huge win for an under eye concealer. The soft focus effect really helped reduce the look of fine lines, which can sometimes be a big problem with other products I've tried. In terms of pros, it's incredibly lightweight and has a buildable coverage, so you can customize it based on how much concealing you need. I also loved how it didn't dry out my skin. It's great for sensitive areas, especially for those prone to dryness. Plus, it's versatile. You can use it for more than just dark circles. I even tried it around my nose to conceal some redness, and it worked beautifully. On the downside, if you're looking for full coverage, this might not be your best bet. The sheer to medium coverage is great for brightening, but it won't hide very intense dark circles. I'd also say the stick format can be a bit tricky to blend if you don't work quickly. Sometimes it's easy to see the lines of where the product was applied. As for value for money, it's a bit on the higher end of the spectrum, but it really performs well in terms of texture and finish. If you're looking for something that brightens and subtly corrects, I'd say it's worth the splurge. However, if you have a larger budget, there are other options out there that may offer more coverage or longer-lasting formulas. Now, if you're in the market for alternatives, there are certainly more budget-friendly options that can provide similar brightening effects. Some other drugstore concealers with yellow undertones, like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, could give you a similar result at a much lower price point, though they might not have the same soft focus finish. To wrap it up, the Jane Iredale Active Light Under Eye Concealer does deliver on its promise to brighten and correct dark circles and redness. It's a great option if you want a natural, radiant finish and don't mind the slightly lighter coverage. If you're looking for something to cover heavy discoloration though, you might want to look for a more full coverage option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.